Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the data and inspecting the variable you will change. Use describe and summarize to confirm current storage type and contents. List a few rows to see formatting. Once you know whether values are numeric-looking strings or numeric but low precision, plan the target type. For example, string to numeric or float to double. Make sure to back up the file or save a copy with Save My Data Copy. DTA before making changes, because conversion can lose information. You now perform the conversion while preserving values. For string to numeric, create a new variable. Generate numvar equals real trim oldvar, and check with list oldvar numvar, or use destring oldvar generate numvar if format is simple. For numeric storage changes, use generate newvar equals double oldvar or recast double oldvar to retain precision. Always inspect with tabulate and summarize. If commas or symbols exist, clean first with subinster or rejectser, so numeric conversion succeeds without introducing missing values. You finish by swapping variables and verifying results. After confirming values match and precision is correct, drop the old variable and rename the new one to maintain scripts. Drop oldvar, rename numvar oldvar. Then run summarize and codebook to check min, max, means, and missing counts. If you find unexpected missing values, list observations where the new variable is missing, but the old was not. Inspect formatting issues. Remove currency symbols or parentheses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.